Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can highlight any cell, any row, any column, or the entire table in your MS Word document. So let's see how to do this. First, let's open our MS Word document. And here you can see this that I have a random table inserted in my MS Word document with a lot of values. So for example, say I want to highlight any of these cells. So the first step will be to select the highlighter tool from the font section in your home tab. So once you've selected the tool, you may simply click on the drop down arrow to change its color. For example, let's say this green color right here. Then once your highlighting tool has been selected, you can simply hover over to your table and you may notice that it is appearing as a pen icon right here. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on selecting all of the cells that you want to get highlighted with this particular color. So for example, I want only this cell to get highlighted. All I can do is, keeping the pen icon stable, I can simply select the value. And here you can see that this value has been colored in green color. So if I want to highlight, say, this particular column with some other color, I can simply go towards the tool again and click on the drop down arrow and change the color. For example, let's say this yellow color, and then I can repeat the same process, but this time I will I have accidentally selected the whole row, so it accidentally applied the color to the whole row as well. So similarly, I can have done with the whole row as well. If I will just simply do it like this, and here you can see that the whole row has been selected if this arrow icon is available. Or if you want to highlight only a particular section, for example, say these cells right here within this area, you can do so that again by simply holding the pen icon stable and selecting all the cells that you want to highlight it with, like this. Now to completely highlight all of the table, you can simply select the values right from here to here, and all of the values within the specified range will get highlighted. And apart from that, the other function is that you can also choose to have different cells which are depth apart from each other to have the same color. So what you need to do is then again go, and I will just change the color. First I'll unselect these, and I'll again go to the highlighting tool and select any color. So for example, I want this cell and this cell to have this blue color. So what I'm gonna do is that I will hold the control key and I can simply select them one by one. So for example, let's say I'll hold the control key and I've selected this value, then again this value, and then again this value. So you can easily do anything that you want, or you can choose any cells in any order. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.